Hurricane Hiillary has strengthened to a Category 4 storm, and that storm is making its way toward California, threatening to bring strong winds and heavy rains to the southwestern United States. The National Weather Service says the hurricane is expected to bring significant impacts to the southwest this weekend into early next week. And so far, the system has reached maximum sustained winds of 140 miles per hour. If Hurricane Hiillary makes landfall in California as a tropical storm, it will be the first one in 84 years.